Hello and welcome to the first tutorial video on how to use the media capture system solution from AREC. This is your host Edgar Morales from Adena Limited, recording live from Taiwan, and today I'm gonna talk to you about the web interface of the media capture system. But first of all, let's take a look at the graphical user interface, because that's what I'm using right now to do this video. So as you can see, if you are a vlogger, this media capture system is perfect for you. Actually, if I fail my career in here, I'm totally going to go for blogger, or that's what I'm trying here. So from the graphical user interface, you can start recording, stop recording, do playback, and some basic settings. Also, you can change layouts, and basically when you are doing this, it would look pretty much like this. You have 9 predefined layouts that you can choose from the system administrator page, and just by using the remote control and pressing a few buttons, you can change layout if you want to see the person like this. So in this case, I already divided the screen in two, and you can see me and you can see my computer at the same time. And if I press a few buttons again, well, you can come back to the one we used to have. And if you miss me, well, let's go and you can see me in small right here. So now I'm gonna show you how to use our web interface. It's pretty simple. You only need 5 minutes to do the initial settings, and once you have done the settings, you do not need to touch your computer again. Pretty much it will be done by the remote controller that I just showed you. So first of all, let's take a look at sensor settings. From here, you can name up to 4 different channels of the sources that you are going to be recording. So let's remember that from our media station, you can record up to 4 different channels at the same time and do the broadcasting of them. So it's actually quite easy. You just need to go to the channel that you want, in this case channel 2. You need to do the discovery. The devices are already here, and once you have done the discovery, just apply and save changes. Then you need to go to recording settings, and from here you can choose whether you want to record MP4 movie or MP4 movie and resource. If you record movie and resource, it means that besides the file that you are recording in this time, you are also recording all of the individual sources in case you want to work on a post-production. From here, you can also do streaming, which can be multicast, unicast, or webcasting. This is going to be explained in a different video. So in Layout Manager, which is the one I was talking about, you can choose up to 9 different layouts from 16 that we already have. As you can see, it's quite complete, and if you do not like any of this, you just need to go to Editor. And from Editor, you just need to choose the one which you may prefer, for example this one, and you can name it where you want the channels to be. Save it, and you are ready to go. Then from menu About, what you can do is that you can update the firmware, and also you can export and import all of the settings. So in case you have other media stations and you want the settings to be stored there as well, you just need to export the settings you have done here. You need to import them from those media stations, and you don't need to do anything else. So this is how to do the basic settings. It took us less than 2 minutes. I promised you 5, but actually it was just 2. And well, now I only need to keep using the control remote and go on with next videos for you. If you want any additional information, just visit our website www.a-dina.com, where you can find data sheets and additional information about all of our products and media stations. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.